Hi, this is an intro that I did after I made the video showing you how to make these boa little wristlet thingies, which I've been wanting to do for a long time. And here's the things that you need. I didn't do a good job explaining that, but you want to get some Velcro that I like the no-sew kind, and you're just going to cut a little bit. Okay, and you need 2 of them. You're going to get yourself a nice feather boa, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. You need a pair of scissors and a glue gun with some glue. And then here's a little tip when you're doing your glue gun. If you don't have a silicone mat, just use something like glass or something like that so it doesn't get all over the table. So now I'm going to show you how to make these little boa wristlets. These are also, I'm going to use this for a Halloween decoration, but these are also really cute for later on, like when you're, let's say the holidays, New Year's Eve. You can use these on a sweater and you won't even know that the sweater isn't fur trimmed. Really, really, really cute. And I like the Velcro because you can barely see that it's there. Barely. And it's really comfortable. So I made it a little bit on the looser side. I didn't want it too tight. And then you can take these off when you're going to eat or drink or whatever. So you don't always have to have them on. But they really give it a nice look. And try to get the ones that are super fluffy like this. Okay? Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this adorable fur cuff. I watched some YouTube videos, I watched a lot of TikToks on how to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do this because they don't give you all the information. So first of all, I bought these slapstick wrist things, and originally I was going to glue it on there and you slap it on. Okay, but what I didn't like is, see how it kind of digs into my skin and it doesn't really stay all the way. And how much fur do you put on there, or feather, whatever this is. So get rid of that. And I like the way it felt just by itself. Okay, so what you do is you measure your wrist and you figure out where you want it. Okay, and since I'm going to do it like the same, close to the same. Now, this is really messy when you cut it, so have your glue gun ready, okay? Because you're going to want to glue it when you do it. You're going to get feathers all over the place, so just know that that's going to happen. See how it's shed? But if you have your glue gun ready, then you can kind of like seal that up. Okay? And then also have your little Velcro sheets ready too. So you don't need to get this self-stick kind. I think it's better to not get the self-stick kind, because you're going to glue it on anyways. I just glue it on there. Then I had tape on this one because I didn't realize I really needed the glue gun. And this is what the other videos don't tell you. And go all around it because it's kind of like a coil of feathers. By the way, I got this boa at Hobby Lobby. It wasn't that expensive at all. It was like, I think $5. And it's a really long boa, so you can make a couple of these. And don't burn yourself, so be careful with the glue gun. Okay, and that kind of minimizes the mess. But I'm going to be a cat for Halloween, and I'm going to also make a tail. There. And that's how easy it is. And you could hardly tell that it's on there because it's black. And now I have 2 cuffs. And it's comfortable. So Velcro's the way to go. Don't do the slapstick. And just be sure to glue this other end. Seal it up in a circle. And that's it. This will be the end of my tail or something like that. But there you go. You have plenty to make a couple. I'm going to make another one for my sister. So guys, I hope you liked this video and that you will try this out. Until next time, bye-bye. Happy Halloween.